In this video, we will be covering the initial setup of Akuvox 2-wire devices. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. First, choose a system language and tap Next. If you skip this step, the device will default to English. Then, select a desired time zone for the device. Now, you can select the device's working mode from 3 options: Master, Slave, and Auto. When selecting Master mode, the device will scan and display the available slaves on the screen. If the device is set to Slave mode, it will operate as a slave device and join the master device within the same network. While in the default Auto mode, the device will search for the master within the network. If no master is found, it will act as the master itself. If there are multiple devices in Auto mode, one will be randomly chosen as the master. Next, we will set up the network. You have the option to use the devices in wireless LAN or LAN network with either DHCP or static IP configuration. In this step, the device will scan and display all devices in your network, allowing you to customize their setups. Tap Done to finish the procedure. If you skipped some steps earlier and want to configure them later, on the Device menu, go to More Settings. For network or device mode modifications, go to the Advanced Settings. Enter the default password 123456 to access Advanced Settings. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.